Hello everyone, so today I'll be showing you how to register the OVO SUV to the OVO Smart App and to unlock from anywhere you are in the world. So first of all, you just come to the OVO Smart Log, you press star and hash button. When you press star and hash button, you put your admin code. So right now my admin code is 147258. Once you put it, you press 1 for administration settings. So you press 3, networking settings. You press 2, intelligent connection. So when you press 2, you come to your OVO Smart App. You press the plus sign, press add device, and then you come to camera and lock. You come to lock Wi-Fi. Then you put the password, your Wi-Fi. You click on confirm, the indicator is blinking rapidly, and then you click on next. When you click on next, it starts going. So we have to wait for the time to calm down. Right now it has added. You can now rename it to any name you want. You can rename it to entrance door and click on done. Whenever someone comes to your house and the person rings this bell, a notification will pop up in your OVO Smart App. When the notification pop up, you can unlock immediately. See the notification, the way it pops. So you can just slide this to unlock the door for the person. Thank you everyone.